Hi, and welcome to the course. In this introduction, I want to give you a short overview of what you will learn and how the program is structured. Part 1 is the introduction, in which we are right now. Not only will you learn about the course structure, but also about the roles and responsibilities of a fitness coach. Part 2 will teach you the fundamental anatomy you need to know. Exercise can be used for a lot of things, like weight loss and muscle growth, but also to improve the heart and blood systems. All these things are the result of many physical changes that occur within the body. So you need to be familiar with the basic structure of the body to understand what's going on. Part 3 is the initial client assessment. When training a client, many coaches will go right into the exercise program without knowing anything about the client's background or ability. As you can imagine, that is less than ideal. So I will show you which questions you need to ask and which tests you need to do to get a good picture of your client before you design your workout routine. You will learn how to test their fitness level using the Harvard STEP test, how to estimate their 1 rep maximum strength, and I will also link resources on how to measure body fat percentage and body composition. Part 4 is all about resistance training. The two main types of resistance training are body weight and free weight exercises, and I will teach you the main difference between the two. You will learn what makes a muscle grow and which exercises are best for muscle growth. Of course, I will also show you step by step how to design the right beginner gym workout so you understand the entire process. Part 5 includes instruction videos for the most important exercises. This will help you understand the movements and muscles involved. Part 6 is about cardio and endurance training. We will talk about the different types of cardio and what they're good for. Just like in the section on strength training, you will learn how to design the right beginner workout and what you need to keep in mind. Since many people use cardio for weight loss, I also included some lessons about the right form of cardio for weight loss and a sample HIIT workout. Lastly, in part 7, you will get a good overview of flexibility and the importance of stretching. There are quite a few stretching mistakes many beginners make, which I will talk about and also give you a sample stretching routine so you have an idea of what yours could look like. Once you've gone through each of the sections, you will find a final quiz at the end to test what you've learned. The test is set up so you need at least 70% to pass, so make sure to pay attention during the lessons and ask questions in the Q&A section if you didn't understand something. After you've passed the test, your certificate of completion will be ready for you to download. As you can see, we have a lot to cover, so I suggest we get started.